direct pressure.
Okay. Once you do that, when you go in to start packing it, you want to go inside and explore. You want to try to find that wet noodle or wherever that the artery is. You'll be able to find it. It'll feel like wet noodle want to be wet. And you find it and you start your packing there. And you just want to pack and build it up. And then you want to fill the whole cavity.
It's really wet noodle.
Okay, once you find that noodle, stay in on it. Use your other hand to feed you material.
Be a farm wheel, but I want to do is look at it from that'll open a whole new world. You get them like a river and throw tennis balls.
And this will take a lot of material. It'll take a lot more than you think you need. Once you get that cavity fully packed, you're going to start using it on top, make a little ball. You'll build it up like a volcano and put pressure on that.
I mean, I would do it, but I don't want to.
The screen turns off this time. Alright, at that point, I want you just to take it. I want you to build a little pyramid material. And once you get that built up, that pressure, we'll grab my EMS bag. So we can usually use one of these bandages, but we're going to try something new today. Grab this orange elastic, the pressure dressing. Open it up in the first section so it's a loop. Got the full Velcro. Thank you. Hand me this end. Leave it rolled up. So what we can do is scenario, we push it up their legs. The pressure bandage on. Somebody can just start wrapping it. You're just going to keep wrapping it. The point is to keep as much material under here at the pressure. And once you get your first wrap, you're just going to keep increasing pressure. Now this pressure dressing is not rated as a tourniquet because it's elastic. We've played with them enough that if you really wrap it tight, you can get occlusion out of it. But that way you have pressure on your bandage, your wound. You go to your next patient, that's covered, and you'll be able to see it bleed through.